Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a close look at a unique tool that combines two essential functions in one compact design: the Shop-Vac 2-in-1 electric air duster and vacuum. Whether you're cleaning up after a messy project or tackling dust in tight spaces, this gadget offers a versatile solution for both blowing and suction. It's built with a brushless motor capable of reaching speeds up to 110,000 RPM, making it a powerhouse for a wide range of cleaning tasks. But how well does it actually perform in real-world scenarios? Let's break it down. First off, the Shop-Vac is incredibly easy to handle. Weighing just 0.6 pounds and measuring a mere 5 by 4.5 by 1.8 inches, it's light enough for extended use without causing strain. Its compact form means you can easily store it in small spaces, whether that's a drawer, car compartment, or a backpack. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to grip, allowing for one-handed operation, which is ideal when you're working in awkward spaces or on the go. But let's talk about what really matters: performance. The motor operates at an impressive range, from 22,500 RPM at its lowest setting to a whopping 110,000 RPM at full blast. This variable speed control allows you to adjust the airflow depending on the task at hand. At lower speeds, it's perfect for more delicate jobs like blowing dust off your keyboard or cleaning inside computer cases. Crank it up to full power, and it transforms into a serious air duster or vacuum for heavier debris, whether it's leaves on the car windshield or dirt in hard-to-reach crevices. The dual functionality, blowing and suction, sets this device apart. In blower mode, the air is strong enough to clear debris from surfaces, while in vacuum mode, it picks up fine dust and even larger particles with ease. This versatility means it can tackle a range of environments, from your workspace to your car and even to the outdoors. If you're someone who's tired of lugging around separate tools for different tasks, this 2-in-1 design streamlines your cleaning process. The battery life is another strong point. Equipped with a 2,000 mAh battery, it offers up to 120 minutes of continuous operation at low speed. At maximum speed, the runtime drops to about 12 minutes, which is still decent considering the power you're getting. The fast charging capability is a big plus too. It takes only 2 to 3 hours to recharge fully via Type-C cable, reducing downtime and letting you get back to cleaning in no time. Now let's talk about real-world usage. Setting it up is straightforward. There's no complicated assembly required. The 6 included nozzles offer a lot of versatility, allowing you to adapt the tool for various tasks. Whether you need to inflate a pool ring, clean out a keyboard, or tackle the corners of a car interior, these attachments are highly functional and make the whole cleaning process more efficient. The variable speed setting works as expected, providing precision when you need it and raw power when you don't. However, with such high speeds, there is a bit of noise at full power, so it's not the quietest tool around, but that's to be expected with something designed to deliver strong airflow. As for the suction, it handles fine dust well, and for tasks like vacuuming out the interior of a car or cleaning computer parts, it does a solid job. On a more critical note, it's not designed for heavy-duty vacuuming like full-sized vacuums, but that's not the intended purpose. For quick cleanups and smaller debris, it's more than enough. In terms of build quality, the materials feel solid. The plastic casing isn't cheap, and the motor feels durable. The design is well thought out, though like many compact devices, you might find that it gets a little warm with extended use, especially at high power settings. Cleaning and maintenance are relatively easy. The dust bin empties quickly, and there are no filters to replace, which reduces ongoing costs. The nozzles are easy to attach and detach, and there's minimal upkeep required beyond emptying the bin. When it comes to value for money, the Shop-Vac 2-in-1 electric air duster and vacuum holds its own. Priced reasonably, especially given its dual functionality and portability, it's a solid choice for those who need a compact solution for multiple cleaning tasks. It won't replace your full-size vacuum for deep cleaning, but for light dusting, quick touch-ups, and handling small debris, it offers great value. Compared to other similar models, it stands out for its high RPM motor, fast charging, and the inclusion of multiple nozzles. For those wondering how it stacks up against other devices, It competes directly with handheld vacuums and air dusters in a similar price range. While other handheld vacuums might offer more suction power or a larger dustbin, they often lack the air duster function. On the other hand, standard air dusters usually don't have the vacuuming capability. If you're after an all-in-one solution that's compact and versatile, this model offers a unique advantage. The Shop-Vac feels robust, and while it's designed to be portable, it has a reasonable lifespan if handled well. Maintenance is minimal. Just clean the nozzles and empty the dustbin. It's a convenient and effective tool for light cleaning tasks. Over time, it should hold up well, but like any rechargeable device, battery performance could degrade after extensive use. When it comes to customer service, Shop-Vac has a reputation for providing responsive support though. Given the simplicity of this product, you're not likely to need frequent assistance. If you do, the warranty should cover most issues that might arise during the product's lifespan. In conclusion, the Shop-Vac 2-in-1 electric air duster and vacuum is a well-rounded, affordable solution for those in need of a compact and powerful tool for quick cleaning tasks. Whether you're cleaning your desk, tackling small messes in your car, or blowing debris from outdoor spaces, this vacuum delivers solid performance. It's lightweight, easy to use, and versatile enough to handle a range of scenarios. If you're not looking for a full-fledged vacuum, but need a tool that can handle light debris and dusting, this could be the perfect addition to your cleaning arsenal. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to check the product link in the comments box below. Feel free to leave any questions or share your experiences with us. Till next time, keep your space clean and your gadgets ready to go.